Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage buttons functions on SteelSeries Aerox 5 wireless. And to do this, first you will need to install SteelSeries GG software on your PC. When it's installed, click on the engine and move to your mouse. Here on the left you can find all of the buttons and also a preview of your mouse and all of the buttons on it. Now we can click on each of the buttons and change their functions. So for example, let's switch it for the forward button, and I guess that's the button 5. Then we can see all of the functions that we can assign right here. You can switch between mouse buttons, switch it to default keyboard buttons, macros, the media buttons, deactivate it, launch specific applications with that button, launch specific configuration with that button, then launch engine apps, OS shortcuts, or we can start recording macros. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.